How's it going, guys? Butcher's Block here, and when I got home today I got a package from Downunder Monkey. Not too long ago I bought some blocks from him and they have arrived, so super happy with what I got. Got a an Avis branded for Buffo, a master number 3, which this is the first master number 3 that I have I've ever had. Haven't picked one yet, so I think I'll be testing out my little snap gun on that. And then got some lotolocks, one each colour, and I thought I'd go with, from my experience, orange on them normally pretty devious, so this is what I'm going to be trying to pick today. Alright, so I haven't picked one of these guys for a little while, so it might very well be a long video. Let's hope not. Yeah, alright, so let's get this situated a bit better. Because it's recessed in a little bit, probably not going to be the best view, but let's see what we got. Alright, so I'm going to use top of the keyway, and I'm going to go in with a SS7 15,000s. Alright. That is not going to work. Alright, let's go with the universal tensioner. Alright, all the way to the back. A little bit of counter. Into a false set. So this is the first time sticking a pick in, so as I warned, this might very well be a long video. Okie doke, so this is attempt number 2. Just spent 10 minutes, and yeah, so give it another go. Let's go all the way to the back. Counter on 3, 2, a little click on 6, another click on 6. That was 2, 1 springy. Bit of counter on 2. Alright, let's come on 1. Hide me on the tensioner. Tiny false set. Alright, a bit of a deeper false set now. Alright, lost it, got it back. dropped a whole heap. I need to up my tension a bit because I'm getting the spool set, but I'm just dropping all the serrateds. Alright, nice deep false set. Okay. Alright, what's one doing? Give me counter. Alright, super deep false set now. Right, one's good. Two. Right, nice click on one. One's good now. Two. Damn it. Right, nice deep false set. Deeper false set. Lost my false set. Just going back and forth, back and forth. Alright, come on now. Let's go from the back. 6. 5. 4. 3. 1. Alright, who we got? Who are we missing? That's 1. Come on. Oh, yes. Wow, that was a tough pick. All right, I am rather happy with that. Yeah, so these orange ones always seem to be, I don't know if it's just a bit of confirmation bias, but quite devious, quite hard. Right, which way was it up? It was up that way. Oh, keep retaining. All right. So yeah, did one go of about 10 minutes and then nearly about the same to open it. So, a bit longer than I would have liked, but quite a hard lock. The bitting once more. And coming up next should be another challenge lock. Alright, so until next time guys, stay safe, stay sane, and hooroo.